It's kind of in the middle of the city. That's literally a construction company back there. This is an archery only track. Had a few responsibilities to do this morning and didn't wake up at the crack of dawn like I should have, which is all good. So decided to get out here in the middle of the morning, do a quick hour and a half sit. Woodpecker before I start the day.